Hello everyone, this is Tarun Jagdish. Now this video is mainly taken to explain to you how my costing classes and QT classes will be taken in Lecture CA campus, which is going to start on January 27th. Friends, even before I start talking about the approach of my class, first we need to differentiate between the new syllabus and the old syllabus. Even though costing is one topic, Old Syllabus was more of a problem-driven paper, wherein lot of heavy problems were coming in and our main objective would be to look at those problems and crack those problems. New Syllabus, contradictory to the old, what they have done is they have brought in a new concept called case studies. And the question what they will do is they will provide a lot of cases, practical life, real life scenario. You have to go through the case, analyze the case, and then what they will do, they'll incorporate some theory into it, some practical case related questions, and also numerical calculation. So I would like to say new syllabus has got problem solving, it has got theory, plus it has got a practical case study based application, whereas the old syllabus was maybe theory and only problem solving. Of late, in the new syllabus also, the institute has introduced lot of new practical questions which are more of a problem solving based questions. So when I'm taking my classes on Jan 27th, my approach will be as follows. From day number 1 to day number 6, I will be taking classes as common for the common topics of old syllabus as well as new syllabus. For example, standard costing is there in both. There is transfer pricing which is coming in both. Basics of marginal costing will come to both. Pricing decisions will come to both. Activity based costing, etc. etc. Just in time. Many concepts are very common in both the old as well as the new. But here it will be more of the problem solving area which will happen, which is applicable to both new syllabus as well as old syllabus. Day number 7, 8, 9. This is important. Please listen once again. Day number 7, 8, 9. These 3 days will be exclusively for new syllabus. And friends, these 3 days will be free for those students who have already attended my costing classes before, because these are the amendments which I am bringing in and I do not want any of my past students to miss these 3 days. It will be exclusively new syllabus where I will be covering 100% case studies which is there in your study material. 2, we will be covering the new problems and there are different chapters. For example, cost management techniques. There is another chapter called performance management in which you have concepts like ROI, RI, economic value added. These were not there earlier in the costing old syllabus. Once these things are covered, the 3rd day I will be focusing exclusively on theory. That is the theory, because new syllabus there is a lot of theory questions also coming in. So friends, I repeat, these 3 days are going to be exclusively new syllabus concepts where I will cover all the case studies, the unique topics to the new syllabus and the theory. After these 3 days gets over, day number 10 will be QT, applicable to both new as well as old. For example, learning curve, linear programming problem. These 2 things are applicable to the new syllabus as well as the old syllabus. 10th day new syllabus can be free. Day number 11, day number 12 will be exclusive QT for the old syllabus. Friends, I hope you are clear with what I just mentioned right now. It will be a 100% concept coverage class and special focus will be given to the case studies which are applicable to the new syllabus. Thank you so much friends. Have a nice time.